Hello fellow Greymanes, here's how you can find the Nobleman's Bow in Crimson Desert. If you're looking for a powerful bow, this one's definitely worth finding. The Nobleman's Bow gives you 18 points of attack damage, with a level 1 critical rate buff, level 1 attack buff, and a 4% damage amplification to mighty foes. To find this bow, you just need to go to this place called the Valgrind Tomb. It's on Peilun, like quite literally just sitting on the right foot of Peilun's letter N. Just be careful when going there because if you haven't progressed far enough into the game yet, you might face a lot of enemies on your journey there. Once you're at the tomb, just approach the entrance. Walk slowly and pay attention to the right wall as you go in. And if you see a hole, crouch and go inside of it. You'll find a chest in the room. Loot it and you've got yourself an OP bow. Enjoy your new gear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.